Today, I'm going to talk about 4 different pieces of software that are really useful for people that are monitoring networks. Now, if you're a network engineer and you've been doing this for a while, these tools are probably pretty familiar to you. But if you're not, if you're just starting into the world of networking or penetration testing, or if you're just a computer guy or a techie that wants to learn a little bit more about how networks work underneath, these can be some really useful tools for you to experiment with. The first of them is called Angry IP Scanner. And this is a tool, a graphical tool that will allow you to scan a network and find all of the computers that are active on that network. Now, this can be done with command line tools as well, but all the tools I'm talking about are graphical, so they're really easy to work with. And this one just gives you all the computers that are active on a particular network. The next one's a little bit more advanced than that and kind of takes you to the next step up, and it's called ZenMap. ZenMap uses Nmap, which is heavily used for pretty much anything networking related. If you're doing penetration testing or anything else on a network, you're going to use Nmap to see what's going on with the machine. Well, ZenMap does the same thing, except it provides a graphical interface. So this will tell you what services are available on a computer and all kinds of other useful information for you as you try to understand what's on your network. Next up, Wireshark. Wireshark is a whole lot more advanced. It's going to give you a lot of really complicated information, but it will show you everything that's going back and forth across your network. This will be dependent, however, upon where your machine is on the network and how your network is set up. But it gives you a lot of useful information about what is being sent and received on your network, and then you can dig in to really see what's going on. Finally, the last one is Burp Suite. Burp Suite is a proxy server that has all kinds of tools and functions that you can use with it. But what I like it for is it allows me to analyze what is going on, particularly with services underneath a website. So if you have a web application that uses REST services, you can connect it up to Burp Suite as a proxy, and then Burp Suite will show you all of the information that's being sent and received as it proxies all of that data. So if you're trying to understand somebody's proprietary REST protocol, or if it's a public protocol and you're just trying to see how somebody else is using it, this is a really great tool to experiment with that.